Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to use Meta Support Inbox to resolve Instagram issues. So as you run ads on Meta or maybe use it for promotion, you will notice that we get issues on daily basis and these issues need to be addressed and need to be resolved. So for that we have the Meta Support that we can contact and can submit our issues there. So now you just have to simply open the Instagram app so we can find the solution for this issue. Then you will be onto its home page. You have to go to the profile. So just simply click onto that profile icon which is on the right bottom. Once you tap onto it, you will get into your profile. Then after that you have to click onto these three lines from the right. And after that you have to just simply scroll down to the down of page and click on help. You can also shake your phone to get into the TikTok support, or you can just simply click on report a problem or just shake your phone for once and you will get this option. Click on report problem and after that you will be there. Now here you can explain about your issue, like what thing is bothering you, what sort of issue you're having, and what sort of help you need. You can explain your whole scenario here, what is going through with your account or maybe your Meta, and what sort of solution you're looking for, and then just simply submit. If you have any screenshot, you can also add it, and you can also upload any other media file that support your message and just simply send it. And after that the team will review it, and if they find the solution they will work for your account. So that's how you can use the Meta Support inbox to resolve Instagram issues. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. In case you're new to this channel, then make sure to subscribe it for more informative videos and updates. Leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask in the comment section below. And thank you so much for watching the video till the very end.